How would you like to be the first man in the moon?
Well, I think I wouldn't like to be the first man. I'd like to go up to the moon.
You'd like to go?
Yes.
Why?
Well, I think I'm bored really down here.
Why are you bored?
Well, there's not much to do. It'd be a change to go somewhere different.
Would you leave your family and everything?
I think so, yes.
Or
Not for long.
Would you rather take them with you?
Yes, I think so.
25,000 other people say they're bored. Do you agree with them?
Yes, I think so.
How would you like to go to the moon?
Oh, I'd like it very much.
Why?
Well, it's interesting and it's a change from this country, this world.
What do you know about the moon?
Well, I know there's not much air up there.
What else?
And you'd have to have a full uniform to go up there and a lot of bother. And you'd have to go up by rocket and all that.
What happens if you don't come back? Do you mind about that?
As long as I got enough food and enough oxygen.
Would you like to be the first man to go to the moon?
No, I wouldn't like to be the first man.
Would you like to go to the moon?
Yes.
Why?
Well, it would be a change from Earth. wouldn't it?
Change from what?
Well, from all this, all the
What do you mean by all
tones,
this?
All the tones and all these tones and it.
How would you like to be the first schoolgirl in the moon?
I wouldn't mind a bit.
Would you like to go to the moon?
Yes, I would.
Why?
Because it's a new experience. It's something different, isn't it?
How would you like to go to the moon?
I wouldn't like to go.
Why not?
I'd be frightened.
Would you like to leave your family or anything?
Oh, no, I'd never leave my family.
You'd rather stay down here?
I'd rather stay down here, yes.
How about you?
I wouldn't like to go to the moon.
Why not?
Well, for the same reason, I'd be nervous, and I think those sort of things are not for us.
Do you think it's wrong?
Well, I don't think it's God's will. We should mess around with those things.
25,000 people say they're bored and want to go to travel to the moon. Would you agree with them?
No, I think they just say it.
Would you like to be the first woman in the moon?
Well, yes, if I could go there by train.